top 7 most satisfying machines in the world. Number 1. New Holland CR10 90 Combine Harvester. The New Holland CR10 90 Combine Harvester is a cutting-edge agricultural machine designed for efficient and high-capacity harvesting. With its advanced features and technology, it is one of the most powerful and productive combine harvesters available on the market. The CR10 90 is equipped with a robust engine that delivers exceptional power and performance. Its engine boasts an impressive horsepower rating, allowing it to tackle even the most challenging harvesting conditions with ease. This ensures that the machine can operate at optimal speed and efficiency, maximizing productivity during the harvest season. One of the standout features of the CR10 90 is its large grain tank capacity. With a massive holding capacity, this combine harvester can harvest and store a significant amount of crops before needing to unload. This reduces downtime and increases overall harvesting efficiency, enabling farmers to cover more acres in less time. Number 2. Komatsu Blast Hole Drill. The Komatsu Blast Hole Drill is a state-of-the-art drilling machine specifically designed for open-pit mining operations. With its powerful capabilities and innovative features, it is widely recognized as a leading solution for efficient and precise drilling in the mining industry. The blast hole drill is equipped with a robust engine that delivers high-performance drilling capabilities. Its powerful engine ensures efficient penetration through various types of rock formations, allowing for fast and accurate drilling of blast holes. This enables mining companies to effectively extract minerals and ore from the Earth's surface for further processing. One of the standout features of the Komatsu Blast Hole Drill is its advanced automation technology. The machine is equipped with intelligent systems that automate various drilling processes, increasing productivity and reducing operator fatigue. Number 3. Komatsu 901DX. The Komatsu 901DX One Harvester is an advanced forestry machine designed for efficient and precise timber harvesting operations. With its cutting-edge features and technology, it is specifically tailored to meet the demanding needs of the forestry industry. The 901DX One Harvester is equipped with a powerful engine that delivers exceptional performance and fuel efficiency. Its robust engine provides the necessary power to navigate challenging terrains and handle various tree sizes, ensuring smooth and efficient harvesting operations. The machine's low fuel consumption helps reduce operational costs and environmental impact. One of the standout features of the 901DX One Harvester is its advanced harvesting head. The harvesting head is designed to efficiently cut and process trees, enabling precise and controlled felling. It incorporates innovative technology for tree measurement, optimization, and stem tracking, ensuring optimal cutting accuracy and maximizing timber recovery. Number 4. Terex RH400. The Terex RH400 is a massive hydraulic mining excavator designed for heavy-duty mining operations. With its exceptional size, power, and capabilities, it is recognized as one of the largest and most efficient excavators in the mining industry. The RH400 is equipped with a robust hydraulic system and a high-powered engine, delivering remarkable performance and productivity. Its immense digging capacity and breakout force allow it to handle large volumes of material with ease. This makes it ideal for mining applications, such as open-pit mining, where the excavation of substantial amounts of overburden and ore is required. One of the standout features of the Terex RH400 is its impressive bucket capacity. The excavator is equipped with an enormous bucket that can hold a substantial volume of material in a single scoop. This allows for efficient and rapid loading of trucks or conveyor systems, minimizing cycle times and maximizing productivity. Number 5. SVM 1000. The SVM 1000 Railway is a cutting-edge railway maintenance vehicle designed for efficient and precise maintenance and inspection of railway tracks. With its advanced features and technology, it is specifically tailored to meet the demanding needs of the railway industry. The SVM 1000 is equipped with a powerful engine and a robust hydraulic system, delivering excellent performance and productivity. Its high tractive effort allows it to navigate railway tracks with ease, while its hydraulic capabilities enable it to perform various maintenance tasks effectively. One of the standout features of the SVM 1000 is its versatility. It is equipped with specialized attachments and tools that facilitate a wide range of maintenance activities, such as track inspection, tamping, ballast distribution, and rail grinding. Number 6. Water Master. The Water Master is an innovative amphibious machine designed for various water-related tasks and operations. It is specifically engineered to provide efficient and versatile solutions in challenging aquatic environments. The Water Master is equipped with a powerful engine and a unique propulsion system that enables it to navigate through diverse water conditions with ease. Whether it's shallow marshes, narrow channels, or vegetation-filled areas, the Water Master's amphibious capabilities allow it to traverse water bodies and reach otherwise inaccessible areas. One of the standout features of the Water Master is its ability to perform multiple tasks with one machine. It can be equipped with various attachments and tools to tackle a wide range of water-related applications. Number 7. Circular Weaving Machine. A circular weaving machine is an advanced textile manufacturing machine used to produce fabrics in a circular or tubular form. It is specifically designed for weaving continuous and seamless fabrics, such as socks, stockings, tubes, and other cylindrical textile products. The circular weaving machine operates by utilizing a circular loom structure with multiple sets of needles, yarn carriers, and other essential components. The process begins by feeding the yarn onto the machine, which is then passed through the needles and looped around the adjacent yarn, creating a continuous fabric tube. As the machine rotates, the fabric is progressively woven, forming a seamless cylindrical product. One of the primary advantages of the circular weaving machine is its ability to produce fabrics in a continuous manner, eliminating the need for additional cutting and sewing processes. This results in higher efficiency and reduced production costs. That was all for today's video. You can share with us your views in the comment section. And if you are new to the channel, remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos we upload. Thank you for watching the video. Best of luck and goodbye.